Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to Motorola G14. Begin by opening Play Store on both devices and downloading free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, open it. Then, in order to set it up, tap on the same options on both smartphones. I will start with Motorola. Click on I agree and I acknowledge at the top. Then select Confirm, Continue, and Allow. Now on the second device, I agree, I acknowledge, confirm, continue, allow. In this window though, about new updates, you can select Not Now if you want to. Then to close it, click on OK. And finally, click on Close in white pop-up at the top. If you wish to get rid of personalization pop-up right away, click on History at the bottom of both devices and click on wherever you want to. I will go with Yes on this device and No in the other one. After you decided if you wish to personalize your ad experience, just tap on Close this window at the bottom. Now choose Receive next to History on Motorola and Send at the bottom left corner of an Android. Also on an Android, select all of those categories available at the top and pick multiple files that you wish to send. In some of those categories, you need to choose Allow a couple of times. When you're done, select Send next to Selected at the bottom. Then tap on Got It in Here's Some Tip pop-up and decide which connection way is better for you. If you want to connect by scanning this QR code, tap on the scanning icon next to Input key on Motorola. Then select while using or only this time to allow camera access and point your Motorola's camera at the code. If you prefer to input this key, click on Input Key section and type in all of those numbers in correct order before they expire. Last but definitely not least, hit Receive. So when I do that, as you can see, and now as you can see, all of my files were successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!